Now let us find out the differential equation for the family of all the parabola with the lattice rectum 4a whose axes are parallel to x-axis. We know the equation of parabola. Parallel to x-axis is y square is equal to 4ax. So all the family of parabola together means we write other than 0, 0 as the center. We can consider h, k as the center. So here this can be written as y minus k the whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. The question we are having parabola with the lattice rectum 4a. So 4a is also fixed. So from this equation you can identify the constant. H and k are the arbitrary constant. So we want to eliminate only h and k from this equation. So since two variables, two values we want to eliminate, we have to differentiate twice. So now let us differentiate the first equation y minus k the whole square, which is in the form x to the power of n. X to the power of n, that can be written as 2 into y minus k. Then y is also differentiable, so you have to write y dash, which is equal to, right side we are having 4ax. So when a differentiation of x equal to 1, so here you get only 4a. The next one is a constant that can be considered as a 0. Now you can cancel these two. So now we got y minus k into y dash equal to 2a. So once we are differentiated, again we are getting one more constant k is there. So we want to eliminate this k also. So to eliminate k, next differentiating equation number 2. Now differentiating equation 2, we will get this is in the form ub, y minus k as one function and y dash as another function. So y minus k into y double dash plus y dash into the term what is given inside the bracket we are having y and k. K is the constant, so the differentiation of y is equal to y dash. Right side the differentiation of 2a, which is equal to 0. Now from this you can write y minus k into y double dash equal to y dash into y dash square will get. Since we are taking to the right side, you can write minus y dash square. Therefore, y minus k is equal to minus y dash square divided by this y double dash. You can take to the denominator y double dash. Now in the second equation, we want to eliminate only this k. So you can take the second equation and replace y minus k. Instead of y minus k, you can write it as minus y dash square divided by y double dash. Therefore, the second equation can be written as minus y dash square divided by y double dash into y dash, which is equal to 2a. That is minus y dash cube, which is equal to 2a into y double dash. So this also can be written as 2a y double dash plus y dash the whole cube equal to 0. Now this is the required differential equation for the family of all the parabola with the lattice rectum 4a. Thank you children. Hi students, now I am going to teach 12th standard maths, chapter 10, ordinary differential equations. In that exercise 10.3, question number 2. Today we are going to learn how to form the differential equation of geometrical statements. The second question what is given is form the differential equation of all straight lines touching the circles. You know, any straight line touching the circle, that is called as the tangent to the circle. Now first you should know what is the equation of circle. So equation of circle already we have studied. Equation of circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. And since it is given, the straight lines touching the circles means it represents the tangent to the circle. So now let us write the equation of tangent to the circle. Equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Here r is fixed, radius is fixed as well as x and y are represent the axis. Here the arbitrary constant we have to consider only m. Here m is the arbitrary constant. Now we have to eliminate this m from this equation and we have to frame the differential equation. So when you are considering this as equation number 1, differentiating equation 1. We get y dash is equal to mx is there. So m plus or minus r into 1 plus m square. This r into 1 plus m square is considered as a constant. Any constant when you are differentiating, that is equal to 0. Therefore, here we get y dash is equal to m. Now you can replace m is equal to y dash in the first equation. Therefore, the first equation can be written as y is equal to m equal to y dash into x r into root of 1 plus m equal to y dash the whole square. So now m is eliminated. If you are writing as a standard equation, we have to remove the square root symbol. So here we can take this one y minus yx. Y minus y dash x, left side if you are taking as a whole square, which is equal to plus or minus r into 1 plus y dash the whole square. Again, to remove squaring on both sides only. That's why here we are writing y minus y dash x the whole square, which is equal to r square into 1 plus y dash the whole square. So in the last equation, there is no m. The equation we framed only with x, y dash and r. Therefore, this is the required differential equation. So in the question it is given, form the differential equation of all the straight lines. So it is understood all the straight lines touching the circles are called as the tangent to the circle. So with the help of the equation of tangent, we are finding the differential equation. Now next question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Find the differential equation of the family of circles passing through the origin and having center on the x-axis. So here equation of circle is of the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Here what is given? The circle passing through the origin. So the circle is passing through the origin. Having center on the x-axis. So if the origin is shifted to some other point, we will consider as h comma k as the center. If center lies on the x-axis means only for x coordinate we are having the value. Any point lies on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So here the center is considered as h comma 0. And the radius is also from center to the end. We we are considering the distance as h. The radius is also h. So with h comma 0 as the center and h as the radius, we have to rewrite the equation of circle. H comma 0 as center and h as the radius. The equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to h square. Again this can be written as x minus h the whole square plus y square is equal to h square. Here h is the only arbitrary constant. So here we can differentiate once to eliminate h. When you are differentiating, so here you can mention that h is the arbitrary constant. When you are differentiating, 2 into x minus h plus y square 2y into y dash, which is equal to 0. The next step, when you are taking 2 as common, we will get x minus h plus 2. Already we have cancelled common 2, we are taking to the right side. So there is no 2 there. Y dash equal to 0. From this equation, we can write x minus h is equal to minus y dash, and h is equal to, when you are taking this h to the right side, you get h is equal to x plus y dash. Now if you are replacing these two values in the equation number 1, we will get the required differential equation. So when you are substituting, we will get x minus h the whole square. So minus y dash the whole square is y dash the whole square plus y square. Then right side we are having x plus y dash the whole square. This is in the form a plus b the whole square. So once more you can expand this in the form a plus b the whole square. We will get y dash the whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y dash the whole square plus 2x y dash. So these two terms you can cancel. Therefore, the required differential equation